Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody, today we're going to be drawing Q from alphabet lore. I really hope you'll follow along with me. You'll need a black marker and something to color with. Let's get started. Okay, first we're going to start with our black marker. And we want to draw here in the center of the page. We're going to start with the body and we're going to go around and stop. We're going to curve and come back. Stop. And now up and lump for kind of a tail shape. Now we're going to curve around again. We're going to stop right there. Perfect. Next, we're going to come out for the eye. Another line in the back with a little curve. And then up again. And then a line for an eyelid. And close that off right there. Now we have the first eye done. We're going to come back and curve. Come in the back, line, little line, up. Close that off and curve around, and there's our second eyelid. We'll attach that line, close these two off, and then fill in the pupils. There's one right there, and then one right there. Now, we're gonna do this curved rectangle shape right here for the mouth. And we'll have a couple lines through. And then, just a few details on the side. And there we have our Q shape. So now, before we're done, we're gonna fill it in. And I'm gonna use this grayish color, a warm gray. Didn't work, so I'm gonna get this marker. Let's see if this one works. Yeah, much better. Okay, remember not to fill in your eyes or your mouth. We wanna leave those white. But I'll get the eyelids on this one. Okay, perfect. Now, I'm gonna take my blue colored pencil. I'm gonna fill in these details and then maybe just a little shadow on the eyes. And then some shadow for texture here on the side. Yeah, a little texture just to make it a little more interesting. Perfect. And there we have Q.
Yay!
Wow, look at this. I had so much fun drawing this. I hope you'll come back and draw with me again soon. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box videos.